La 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 la, bow to your partner. Because they were on Miss Rachel once. You know?
Does anybody know that song?
And then we turn around. Does anyone else have a 2-year-old?
I think that's a Miss Rachel exclusive, bro.
Yeah. No, it is. Like she's not fucking famous. Come on. Y'all know Miss Rachel. Should I do one of her songs?
Yeah, go ahead.
Wait a minute. Oh, you never know which one is original anymore. There's a songs for littles, songs for littles. None of you? Are you fucking kidding me? What's going on in Idaho? You knew it. And you knew it.
Miss Rachel and Bowling for Soup Venn diagram does not match.
It's way smaller than I thought.
Apparently this whole bit of comedy is not hitting right now, bro.
That's okay. I had a pretty good run on this tour so far.
You should have stopped at P. Diddy.
Well, I tried, but he wouldn't let me. Even the people that work here are like, that's fine.